Hi everyone, Messy Coder back again with the final part of my live dev interview with Catsoft Studios, the creators of Game Creator, that amazing tool for Unity where you can make fantastic games without even needing to know how to code. This was taken from my live Twitch stream, or www.twitch.tv/themessycoder, where you can catch the entire VOD if you want to. But for now, sit back, enjoy, and I'll see you all in a moment. I'm in the demo. Oh, Pete says I'm on an Xbox and I can't see links. Pete, can't see links. Damn it, Pete. Oh, well, the links are basically the ones that are down in the descriptions of the Twitch, buddy. It's the YouTube, everything. All you need to do is put /the-messy-coder after everything. So twitter.com/the-messy-coder. YouTube.com/ that's right, the Messy Coder. And twitch.tv. That's just crazy. Twitch.tv/ the Messy Coder. Your YouTube tutorials are done by yourself or some professionals. I would take that as a massive compliment. Or VR, you're just taking the piss. Now, obviously, he's talking to you and not me, because he knows that my tutorials are done by the least professional person in the world. But when you look at game creators' tutorials, they look pretty damn tasty because you've got nice little animations in there. It's easy to follow. They last only a few minutes each one, so they're concise and well thought out. And I'm going to guess you did everything yourself.
Yes, everything but one thing, which is the Getting Started playlist. I hired a voiceover actor, and it was too expensive to use him hire him in the whole video. So I tried using my voice.
You've got a lovely voice, mate.
Oh, thank you. But I'm not native, and
can you do me a favor? All right.
Sure.
1 second. Hold on a sec. Hang on. I'm going to send you something on Skype.
Okay.
I know on Skype, on Discord.
Okay.
And you need to read it out.
Okay.
But I want you to add a little bit of passion to it, okay? When you read it.
Okay.
You need to accentuate. You need to accentuate your Spanish. Well, Spanishiness. I'm gonna say.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
All right. You ready?
Well, yeah. Be careful with what you send. My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
There you go.
How was that?
That was awesome. Now, you don't need to have anyone do your voiceovers because that's all you need.
Thank you.
Yeah, so don't forget, if you do follow, then you are in with a chance whenever I do giveaways, because I'm always doing giveaways. We had our anniversary stream that went on for 16.5 hours, and we had over $11,000 worth of assets and games to give away on that stream. So much, it just made me cough my guts out. 11,000, actually more than 11,000. And 16.5 hours we went on for, that's right. Amazing, I hear you say. It was amazing. If you missed it, you're kicking yourself. But don't worry, I'm editing. You can actually see the VODs on the Twitch page. If you go up to the VOD section, the video section in Twitch, I've highlighted the interviews. We interviewed 13 different developers on that one long stream. And every weekend, now until July, we've got live dev interviews. Actually, a lie. Except for one weekend where I'm at TwitchCon Berlin. So one weekend until July. Wow, we're interviewing people. Now, if you're a subscriber on Twitch, do you know what happens if you subscribe to my Twitch channel, Marty? Do you know what happens?
Nope.
Well,
tell me.
If you subscribe to my Twitch channel, you get access to a super secret magical place on Discord where you can download the code for many of my tutorials and videos that I do on YouTube. Isn't that amazing?
It is.
But that's not the reason why you are a subscriber. That's just a free gift that I give you for subscribing. So it's a lovely gift. My way of saying thank you, because I can't really work out what else to give you. So that's why you should do the subscribing thing, and you should do it's for the price of a coffee. For the price of a coffee and possibly a Danish pastry a month, you could be a subscriber and supporting this channel, which helps me make more videos and speak with more beautiful people like Marty every week. I'm in your quest example that I got from going to module manager quests, and I did enable, and then I went quest examples, and then I clicked enable because it's got dependency for the module there.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So now what?
Just hit play and let's see it. And if you want, yeah.
Okay. What's that big L under my bloke? What's that about?
It's a local variable. And it's too big, and I hope to remove it because it's confusing to a lot of people.
Is the source code included for this and all the modules?
Yeah, all of them. We don't pack DLLs. We don't want to mess with 64-bit compilations, 34-bit compilations. It's all open.
Lovely. VR Game Zone says, I like the bite-sized tutorials. Please make them for the AI module also. And when is Muck coming out? Well, I was refactoring my code for Muck, and I've realized that I could make Muck a lot more cleaner in its code, and I've ended up rewriting pretty much most of Muck again from the beginning. So yeah, I'm a bit delayed on Muck because I added so much more functionality that came after the original bit that I got a bit carried away. So now I need to go back and clean up. Alright, talk to the king. Let me make it big first. Hang on, who's this? Are you the king? Brave Knight, please, you have to help me. My daughter is locked in that dungeon. Save her. Oh! A princess in distress. Open the dungeon gates. So now do I need to have the dialogues module to be able to have that little chat?
No, it's included a simple message system in the game creator course, so you can start playing messages. But if you want branching dialogues and a lot of more stuff, you require the dialogue module. But for example, this one, it just uses the game creator and the quests module. So this dialogue comes with game creator, not the dialogue module.
So now I'm going to go and press J to open my journal. Oh, right, active quests. A princess in distress. Description: King Arthur's daughter has been locked in a dark dungeon. Who will rescue the poor man's daughter? Right, you got.
Yeah,
Don't worry about your English spelling.
Oh,
Mine's bad enough, and I was brought up and went to school here, so don't worry about it. Opening the dungeon gates, and you'll be one step closer to rescue the king's daughter. Quest tasks. Open the dungeon gates. Track my quests. Alright, I've got a little thing on it. So now, what does that do?
just sets the quest as being tracked, and in the interface, if you go to the editor, you can customize what kind of quests you're seeing at all times. So you can set it to just show you the tracked quests, the active quests, all quests.
Oh, nice. And I could add buttons to switch between them and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. So it suits your game.
Right. Will there be a bundle? Oh, I missed a question. Sorry, Pete, buddy. Will there be a bundle deal once the AI and shooter modules are released?
We hope to, but Unity, at least that we know, doesn't allow us to create a bundle with a discount. So we want to, but there's not that feature at the moment that we know of. If someone knows how to do that, just give me a bell.
I thought you can just make a new pack and just put all of them into one new pack, and just have that new pack priced cheaper, but not actually bundle it. But you'd have all of the modules that are in, put
Yeah,
them
but
together in
then
one build, and then
if someone purchased the game creator and then they want the bundle, they'd have to purchase the bundle, which includes game creator and the rest of the modules. So
yeah, but isn't
it's not fair.
Obsiv doing like an upgrade? The way you can do it through the Unity Access to Upgrade system.
Okay. I didn't know about that.
Yeah, check out how Obsiv are doing it, because they've got really complex, and Sector does it as well. Yeah.
Obsiv.
So yeah, do that way, man. Sector, you've got Sector Complete, which is the complete edition of Sector, and then you've got all of the individual modules separately. Talk to the stranger to start an optional quest. Okay. Greetings. Will you steal the princess's tiara and give it to me? Of course, I'll generously compensate your efforts. Okay. Open. Where did my J? Where did it go? Talk to the... Okay. Why is it telling me to get lost? Get lost? Steal the tiara. How do I...
Oh, it's in the dungeon. It's not really clear.
So I don't have it... Oh, here you go. It's an optional one underneath the main one.
Yeah.
Aha. So it's not like a new quest. It's a...
Yeah, it's a sub quest. So there are quests, and each quest has tasks, and each task can have another task and goes to infinite.
Talk to the princess to rescue her. Thank you for rescuing me. You're welcome, lovely. Wait, where are you running off to? Where's my kiss? I've watched Shrek. I know how it goes.
And that's supposed to be the tiara.
That's naughty, that is. So, people who have used Game Creator before in chat, seems to be quite a few of you there. Who's used the Photon module, and how easy was it to use? Hang on, I thought I nicked it. Did I not steal it?
Nope.
Oh, do I have to stand on it?
No, just click it.
Yeah, I clicked it. There you go. This is nice. Fortunately, I haven't used the phone module yet. Seems to have largely positive feedback in the Discord channel. GC. And excellent. Here, take this reward. Let me... Success. And let me paste in that link again for those who don't have it. Here is the link for Game Creators Discord.
Excellent.
Very nice. So oh look, there she is waiting to see her. Look, go around the corner, love. Speak to your dad. What are you hanging around here for? Let's go cash this in. Thank you for rescuing my daughter. So where's can you like give rewards?
Yes. If you open the preferences window, you need to exit blade mode.
Oh, okay. I did that, but okay.
Well, the screen in preferences window changes when you are in blade mode and when you are not. So it shows you the runtime values.
Let me make it small.
Okay.
That's not what she said. Okay. So. Well, we got a quote from Jason Booth about discount for terrain collection. Yes, that's easy when it's done one asset to another, but microspat is 14 assets. and they only give you a way to upgrade to one of them. So yeah, I could set up a complex chain to get you £5 off if you purchase an asset, a £5 asset. But as soon as you purchase two, it doesn't work anymore. Aha.
Oh. We'll take a look. Unity also recently changed the dashboard for the publishers, and they introduced some new features. So my guess is that bundles are one of them, and maybe they will be soon possible.
Well, let's hope.
Yeah.
So where do I see the quests?
It's in Game Creator at the top toolbar.
Okay. Yep.
And Preferences window.
A princess in distress. Here we go.
Yeah, and you can open all this.
So I double click them. What do we do?
No, that's because it's in play mode and you can edit it.
Okay.
If you exit, it will appear a small button. But just taking the chance now that you are in play mode. The gray area means that there's no quest active. And if you talk to the king or the red character, you will see that the quest turns blue, meaning that it's active. So it's easy to see what's going on screen.
There you go. Now it's blue. Ooh. Thanks for that, Sengoku pal. Much appreciated. I like how this little black shadow. Now.
Yeah, it's nice detail.
So when I go and talk to her, is that going to go another colour? What's that? There she is.
And if you want, don't steal a tiara, and
Yep.
the optional quest will fail automatically.
Dun, dun, dun. I'm not stealing your dirty tiara. Yeah, horrible man. How dare you? I don't know why she didn't take it back with her when she left, but one thing about the camera.
Yeah.
So we've got.
Yeah, because it's not the adventure camera. This one is just a simple follow. It's meant to be used for top-down
Okay, cool.
Diablo style games. And
Dun, dun, dun.
oh no, sorry. Quests don't get automatically failed if you complete the whole quest. They just stay as inactive.
Okay. And what's that little colour? What's that little icon?
If you exit play mode, you'll see what that means. That means that
Some
there are
conditions that must be met. Okay.
exactly, that's the conditions. That means the other one is that there is an action once that action is that quest is completed, and the last one is if there is an action when the quest is failed.
Oh dear, the code bot is talking about competing assets. Yeah, that was odd. That there's a I got confused between Catsoft Game Creator and the Cat Game Builder.
Yeah.
So we had the Cat Game Builder guys on the stream, who, funnily enough, worked on making the Twitch Sings Twitch game.
Mm-hmm.
But because of NDAs and stuff, they couldn't really talk about it. And obviously, they're a Unity development company, and if they were working on the game, then we kind of worked out that Twitch Sings is made with Unity. But like we were saying before, is that this kit lends itself more to a character-driven type game, and we saw with that Cat Game Builder, that was used for Flappy Bird or Twitch Sings or.
Yeah.
Different types.
Yeah,
as well.
so. Mm-hmm.
Sanya's lurking. So how do I now say, okay, I want, on completing this, I want the player to get a reward that they will get, everyone gets, and they can then choose between one of 3 optional rewards.
To do that, what I do, if you want just to give one single reward, now that you have the inventory module installed, you can just simply, in the screen you are on, you can create an action and use the item action, and it will, that one. And you can say just add this item to the player and select one item from the list.
And if I want him to choose from like one of 3 options?
That you need to first create a canvas object and then present 3 different buttons. And depending on which button the user selects, it would give you one item or the other one. So it's a bit more complex to do that.
So Pete's going to bed. Good night, buddy. Hope you enjoyed it, mate. I hope this one looked interesting.
Bye-bye.
Or you could do it through dialogue module choices.
Yeah. That was more creative than I. Yeah, exactly. You could create a dialogue and just drop in the options.
That would probably work a lot easier, I would assume.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. So quest, that's easy to use quest systems.
Yeah, and it's easy to track which ones are active and inactive, and if something is not working, why it's not working. There are some conditions. For example, you can succeed a quest that is not active, for example, and that's by design, just to avoid errors. So you have to, if you want to complete a quest, it starts with in active state, and you have to put it on active and then succeed or fail.
So it's stopping you from accidentally completing or failing inactive quests.
Exactly. Yeah.
Pete says, I've enjoyed this one. I have the asset page up to have a look at in the morning. Smiley face. Well, I hope you're using the link, mate. I hope you're using the special link. I need to pay Bitly to upgrade my account because I apparently have run out of being able to have custom links. So unfortunately, it's bit.ly/2mto69b. Nice numbers. So, or you could just do, somebody give me an exclamation mark messy store or asset store in chat, please. I think either one of those would work now. Exclamation mark asset store. And I think it's bit.ly/ I think it's actually bit.ly/messy store. But there you go, yeah. Oh, there you go, not too bad. We're going to have to do more videos on this, I think, Martin.
Absolutely.
Because this is a lot bigger than I thought it was, to be honest. I didn't think it would be so big, and you don't even have shooty bang bang smack smack module in
Not yet.
Yet it's still
in
so
draft
big.
still.
But I'm guessing that it's quite easy to do because
it's just now if you check actually if you test the stats example, there's one where you can throw fireballs and damage the enemy. So there is shooty stuff, but not like in a just plug and play way.
Hang on, 1 second. I'll tell you one thing. I need to see this fireball. Okay, hang on. So you still describe it as in beta. Well, to be fair, it does look like it's in beta still because it's not being charged at 300 quid. So yeah, it's still a beta. There you go, Messy Store. Messy Store works now. Good, cool. Right, I want to do fireball. So how do I do fireball then?
You have to go to the there's a folder called stats examples.
Stats
If
examples. There it is.
okay, if
And
and since
example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you remember which one?
exactly, the fifth one.
Let's do this. So
It's one of the most advanced ones.
I get to drink of water while Unity wakes up. There we go. Oh. Oh man, he went straight through him and hurt him. To left click towards an enemy. Hadouken! Ah. So this camera, the controller is being targeted to always look at this.
Yeah,
Display.
the character. Yeah, it is using the same as before. There was the camera direction. You can set an object as the target.
And a very good point by Duffer that you've got ragdolls by default.
Yes, it's not super stable because there was a user that made a human dragon, and the collision collider of the head was like 10 times his head. But yeah, it's pretty automatic doing it, and we're polishing it a bit more.
I want to go back in. So, Hadouken!
The player stays still, but of course you can create a avatar mask, so he just does the Hadouken, and while he can walk, run, or stay idle.
I just noticed something. If I do my Hadouken, and now I... There you go, look. It was like, the fireball looked like it went off to the side because I rotated the camera.
Yeah.
Alright, you could... So have I got like a raycast hit or something, action?
Yes, there is one, but it's not in the core. You can download it for free at the hub.gamecreator.io. I actually don't remember what the name of it, because there are so many actions that can be possibly made that I prefer people to say, okay, I want to do this, and try to give them a solution. And if it's not possible, I just add this action to be made, and I add it to the Game Creator Hub. So
Where do I... So if I want to explore categories. Okay.
yeah, so for example, there's an action that's called can see that just basically raycasts from one point to another one, and it returns true if two objects can see each other, or false if they can't.
Oh, you got us. What's this? A rating system?
Yes.
Oh dear. Why is somebody giving it 1 star but no comment?
Maybe because there's no star yet. So this is I have to fix that. But if no one has still rated that asset, it just gives you 1 star.
Run through and put 5 star on everything quickly. So what was it called? Can see.
Yeah.
Returns true or false depending on whether an obstacle between two objects. The comparison is made by using a raycast from origin A to B. Second object should have a collider in order to work, or one of its children. Are we able to put a range on that raycast?
Not sure. I'm not sure. Let me check that.
You've already got my brain thinking about how I'm using this to go around chopping trees.
But creating a custom action, it's super easy. It's like 3 lines of code.
I'm just reading the comment in chat. This one with its 1 star. It's Niall. Are you from the Welshlands? Duffer. Actually, we're going to say with a name like Duffer, I should have actually thought about it. Are you Welsh? Duffer, are you Welsh? Half Welsh. And half Irish. Oh my word. Where's Irish John when you need him? Oh no. Nice. I won't do my Welsh accent. I've already offended most of Twitter in my Irish accent. I won't even start with the Welsh. But I'll do my... No, I won't. I need to drink more beer before I start doing my accents again. And Duff, I've just met you, and I don't want to drive you off straight away with my Welsh. But I lived very close to Wales in a little village that had a lot of Welsh people, so I would practice my Welsh accents. But yeah, if anyone who's like really famous, amazing actors, all seem to come from either Ireland or Wales, and none of them have got their accent, because they always, kids, would have to go to lessons to be taught elocution and how to speak in a received pronunciation and all that BBC English. And you lose every now and again. You get a hint of it. You get a hint of the Welsh coming through. It's nice to see that Anthony. His name just went out of my head. Hopkins. There you go. His name just came out of my head. Has kept his Welsh accent, thankfully. But yeah, it's beautiful accent is the Welsh accent. It's a lovely one, mate. And I'm sure your add-on, your module wasn't rubbish, and it's only a 0 star because nobody knows about it yet. Now that they've seen it on this stream, it's famous. It's famous. Look at it. Look at it there in all its glory. The custom any dictionary. You need to go click it now and give it a 5-star review. Everyone in chat who's using the Game Creator Kit. I mean, I'm going to have to draw a line in the sand and say that we're going to have to come back and do more on this. When do you think your AI module is going to be out?
Hard question, because before Christmas I said at the end of January, and we're in February 10th. Month and a half maybe. I still have to make all the promotion and images. I'm creating the example scenes, and there's a whole bunch of things that I didn't foresee. I hope that in a month it will be ready.
Ooh,
also, while developing the behavior model, I still maintain the other modules, so each one added means more work of maintainment for the other ones.
San, you're saying after the AI module, there's the multiplayer module. I'm going to guess that you're going to wait until Unity have confirmed what they're doing with their new networking, and they've got it all working and it's official and out of beta before you start working on integrating official Unity networking.
Yeah, depends on a lot on what they do, because I'm not really that experienced in multiplayer games. I can code other kinds of games, but multiplayer is one thing. It's just that subject I have pending. And yeah, there was this user at Discord that he said he was going to create the integration module for Photon with Game Creator, and I said, just please go ahead, all yours.
Now you don't have to worry
done
about
a great
it.
job.
You don't have to worry about it because somebody else is taking care of it. Job's a good one. Job's done.
Exactly. Yeah, it's really well done.
We got Gildar's asked, can you take a quick look at the structure of an action looks like in code? Ooh.
Oh yeah, absolutely. There's two ways to create one. One is the complete version, and the other one is a simplified version. We can go for the simplified version if you want.
Yeah. All right.
First. So the same way you create a script in Unity, you go to right-click and create and select C# script. You can do the same, but we provide a bare bones structure for actions.
All right. So there's like the normal one. So, oh, my computer's frozen. My computer's frozen. Lovely. Well done.
Oh, you're in play mode, I think.
Oh, I'm in play mode. Gosh. Well done for me doing that while I'm in play mode. I'm a genius. Now I can't get out of play mode because Unity's trying to compile. It's stuck. There you go. Come on, get out of it. There you go. I'm out. So, oh, hang on. Nobody can see anything because I turned off the. Right. So, if I right click and I go Game Creator, can I? What do I?
Exactly. Yeah. Game creator, developer.
Nice. So now I've got simple action, complete action, simple condition, complete condition, igniter. So now I want to go which one? Simple?
Simple action, for example.
Okay.
You give it a name?
Yeah, it's new action.
Oh, no?
It's got a new name.
Okay. And you can see it's barely 10 lines of code. Well, maybe a bit more, but...
That's it.
Oh, do you have Visual Studio or?
Yeah.
Oh, we do it like.
I was
okay.
expecting it to be like 50 lines of code.
No, it's super simple. Oh, the simplified version. The complete version is a bit more extensive. So you can customize the title of the action. You can customize if it has it uses coroutines or different advanced stuff. But for a simple thing, it's just like this. You have the instant execute method, and if you don't use coroutines, you just return true, and inside the method, you just do your stuff. It actually works like a mono behavior.
I made a no one. Why is it not letting me? Come on, Unity, stop freezing. Advanced action. Come on, make it big. Come on. Come on. Do it. Where is it? There we go. Here we go. So now this is the big one. So this is the advanced one.
Exactly. So in fact, the complete version includes both the runtime version and the editor script below, and that's, I would say, pretty advanced, but yeah, you can basically customize how the inspector looks and all that.
Oh, don't get me started on that. Oh,
yeah.
God. Still have nightmares about it. How did you find like the Unity, like, because your editor that you've made, your custom interfaces are really pretty. I have to say, job, hats off, well done. Very simple to use, clean, looks like it's native. Like somebody asked, is this the new version of Unity? It looks like it belongs in Unity. Very well thought out. Well, how long did it take you, and where did you find like examples, guides to help you with that?
Mostly searching. Just take screenshots when I see something that I like. For example, Bolt. The design of Bolt, it's perfect. For example, for the behavior module, which includes a graph state, I took a lot of inspiration from the shader graph. Unity's shader graph.
Nice.
And other things is just testing, trying out things.
Right, push I on my inventory. So this is the inventory example.
Yes.
We can't end this without playing about with the inventory. So is this here? This is different sections. I'm filtering now whatever would be in here.
Exactly. There's the item section and the equipment section, but you can create all the sections you want.
Oh, if I just accidentally kick the money around. Sorry about that. Just threw that money all over the floor. Buy the key and some potions. All right, so
Exactly.
click on her. Vending machine. And buy. Oh, nice. There you go. Some potions. Okay. Now, there we go. Got 3 potions and a key. Use the key to open the door. So, what am I doing? Put it in my hand? No. Double click in it? No. Just...
I wanted to see if you can figure this out. I think I'll have to put a message there. It's you have to drag and drop exactly the key to the door.
Yeah, that's a bit weird.
I'll change the text and
combine this with a potion. Why can I pick it up? Oh yeah. Sometimes I can pick up with a click, and sometimes it's not registering the click, or maybe it's a delay.
Yeah, because the raycast from the camera hits the player, so I'd have to change the layer mask.
Ah, okay. It is dangerous to go alone. Take all of these. So if I'm standing here like this.
Yeah, if you click through your body, it won't pick up the object. But if you click the sword, for example, it's fine.
Oh, bugger! While I'm falling to my death, I can have a look at these.
Oh.
And I'll put that hat on my head. Nice. Or the hammer. So what does the E? E means it's equipped. Okay. See, I worked that out.
And it actually changes the model and equips them with those
Which we
items.
would have seen if I hadn't been falling to my death.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's try that again. I try not to fall to my death this time. Oh dear. So, do you have a currency system built in?
Hey, sorry,
Currency. So, like you got here where
Yes.
I picked up these. How advanced does that get? Have we got like silver coins, gold coins, fractional currencies?
No, for the moment it's super simple, and it's just one currency, and there are no cents and all that. It's just an integer. Because inventories can get complex really fast.
Yeah, like we've seen with Inventory Pro and Rucksack.
Yeah. And we thought about making this inventory as simple and easy to use as possible, and maybe later create an advanced, more advanced inventory, which we'll probably be super happy to hear about.
Yay, look at me. I'm dancing. Cool. Yeah, I would like to see a more like being able to split. Can we split stacks? I've got here 4. Can I split this into 2 stacks of 2? Well, I can drop it by right clicking or left clicking and dropping them on the floor. But am I able to click on these and then go, all right, I want to have 2 stacks of 2 in my inventory?
No. For the moment, you can set the maximum number stacked for item. By default is 99. But I think, and I'm not sure about that, I think that you can't have 2 stacks of the same item. So you can have, for example, 3 potions and two other potions stacked in another item.
Because if you can do that, then we can split a stack of 5 into a stack of 3 and a stack of 2, or a stack of whatever you want it to be. If you can have multiple stacks of the same thing.
Exactly. That would be in the advanced inventory, or in this one. We're adding new features from time to time, depending on the user's feedback. But for the moment, that's not possible.
And that's the thing with the more advanced your inventory goes, you still have to support all of the save and load.
Yeah, yeah, and it has well, the advanced systems have weight control, they have size control, they have um, yeah, different stack systems. It's ridiculously complex.
You would have, so the advanced one's going to be able to have like a sword is long and takes up 3 slots.
We haven't thought about that yet. We thought about adding item inheritance, so you can have one item with certain properties, and then you can, like, if it was code, and you can have another item that inherits properties from the other one.
Yeah, rucksack, like rucksack's doing. That's a great example for you to, I would say, yeah, obviously no plagiarism, but
Hmm.
getting inspiration from how other people are doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
this
it's
is Celor, this is Game Creator, and this is Marty from Catsoft Studios. Basically, I am freaked out by this because, Pete, see you soon, buddy. Thanks for stopping in. Much appreciated. Don't forget, everyone in chat, click on that follow button if you haven't clicked on follow already, because we need to get to that 1,000 followers. So if you're new in chat, click on that follow. Also, if you're new in chat, every Saturday until the end of the year, I'm going to guess, but until July, definitely, we've got a live dev interview. Next week, we've got 2 live dev interviews. On the Saturday, we've got in Unity Terrains, the guy who does Unity Terrains, and Digger. So Unity Terrains, a voxel terrain system, and Digger make holes in your terrains and walk through them, make tunnels. And on Sunday, which is his Monday, we've got Cinti Studios back in the stream to talk about their space kit. Not only talk about it, but show it off and have a play with the space kit. We're not just talking with Mike from Cinti Studios, we'll be talking to the Cinti Studios team, which is why it has to be during the weekday for them. So it's a special Sunday stream for us Europeans and Americans and everyone apart from the Antipodeans down under, your Kiwis and your Aussies and your Pacific Islanders. It's your Monday. So, never mind, eh? But for the rest of us, it's going to be a Sunday, special Sunday stream next Sunday. Not tomorrow, the next one. We'll have Cinti Studios. Did you manage to see that space pack, Marty, from the...
Yes, actually, I purchased some months ago the sci-fi, and I was really excited about the space one.
That's been amazing, hasn't it? Look,
Yeah,
it blew my
it
mind.
is.
Especially, he goes, I've shown you these before, haven't I? I was like, no, I don't think you've shown me your space pack. And then he brings up on Discord, and I nearly exploded. Nearly exploded. So the Cinti stream, good question, VR, is going to be a little bit earlier than normal. It will be about 8:30 GMT on the Sunday. So a little bit earlier than normal, and it will be on a Sunday. So 8:30 GMT is going to be, I don't know. I'm not Google. Basically, I'm not Google. If you're in America, and because you've got loads of different time zones, work it out yourselves. I'm not your dad. I can't do it for you. So there you go. I want to show Pete something before he runs off again, because he's already seen this. But I want to show it. Want to go to fantasy, prefabs, and I want to be, where's my player? And just in time for when you come back from Germany. Nice. I just dragged it in there. Just drag that character into drop your 3D model. And that's all I did. Come on. Come on, Unity. Pull your finger out, love. Come on. You shall not pass. Harry, Harry, come here. I want to tell you something. What is it, Dumbledore? Nobody likes you, Harry. Go sit in the corner. All right, I'm going to let you go because I said that an hour ago that I was going to let you go, and we've been chatting now for another hour. If I keep this up, we'll be talking until 4 o'clock in the morning. Everyone in chat, say massive thank you for Marty from Catsoft Studios for popping in, him himself and the other him as well, all three of them.
Thank you very much
no problem,
for
mate.
having me.
It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Honestly, if nobody believes me, this was the first time I've ever looked at this asset. I didn't even I briefly looked at the video, and I barely acknowledged what the video was going on. So this was a complete fresh view of Game Creator. You saw how easy it was. I didn't read any documentation. Let's be honest. You know me by now, people in chat. I didn't read a single line of documentation, and a lot of this was intuitive enough to be able to work out what was going on. Well done. I have to say, you did this all by yourself. Jobs are good, man.
Me and my free
I'm well
Thank
impressed.
you. Thank you very much.
Well, don't forget, you're a member of my Discord. I'm a member of your Discord. People in chat.
Yep.
Put an exclamation mark Discord in chat. Do it now. Do it now. Exclamation mark Discord in chat. And where's your link? I got you saved it. Hang on. Copy link. Hang on. Where is it? And there's the link for Game Creators Discord as well. It was very impressive how easy it seems. It was very easy. Very easy indeed. All right, buddy, I'm going to hang up the phone on you. I will talk to you during the week, probably. Well, I'll be having a load of customer support questions I expect immediate answers on. Otherwise, you get one star on the asset store.
No pressure. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks, everyone here.
Bye, mate.
Bye-bye.
Well, that was it for another live dev interview. I hope you had fun and enjoyed yourselves. You too can take part if you pop over every Fridays and Saturdays at alderws.twitch.tv/themessycoder 9 PM GMT time. If you want to know what it is in your time zone, use Google. So don't forget to tell all of your friends and neighbours. If you do like it, click it. Till next time. If you want to see more of my crazy videos, click on the left side of your screen now. And down below, there's that big juicy subscribe button. And right next to it is the magic bell that if you click it, it will tell you if I've got a new video coming out. Till next time.